Good day, guys. Hi. I just thought of doing a quick video for everybody to keep your Nissan Navara healthy and wealthy, and then keep your pocket not empty, filled up every day, and then not to get fed up of Nissan Navara D40, especially in Sri Lanka, because of the mindsets and crappy mechanics, those who have been ruined this beautiful vehicle thus far. Just take a look at if you are being worried and if you have been trapped in anywhere in the market, not to choose the right products into to treat into a Nissan Navara D40. Take a look at. I'm going to take you from each and every component, the lubrication you require to have it in order to have a full service on Nissan Navara. So basically, you need to have air filter, which is element assay, and these all are the genuine filters that we are selling at ABC Auto Trendy. And the second one is the cabin filter or the air cleaner filter that comes for the AC. And this is the inline fuel filter. So there are three type of fuel filters available in the market. Right now I have chosen only one that comes for the UK models, either Nissan Navara, Aventura, or the Outlaw. We also have the different filters for the Thailand models, and this is the oil filter for Nissan Navara, and this is the GL585W90, which is limited slip differential gear oil to use in the rear differential, because no one knows, everybody put the same gear oil. No, it is not the way, and this is the gear oil that you need to use it. Unfortunately, we did not find in Sri Lanka GL585W90 from Nissan. Therefore I'm using the same from Toyota. It doesn't harm, it's the same oil, it's the same synthetic, it's the same mineral, so it doesn't matter, you can have that. And we are recommended to use the Worth coolant. Please, if you have it, just water inside, drain them off, and then flush your radiator and use the Worth coolant. So this does not harm your system or the radiator or the water fan. This will lubricate your water fan. It gives a life, additional life by using this. So this will remove the dirts and remove the corrosion. So there are three different types that we have by Worth, that is the red, and then green, and blue. So blue is a bit of expensive compared to red, and then green is cheap compared to red. So in my cases, I recommend to use the red, which is in the mid range. And if you worried about washing up your engine, and people have a different mindset. They say it's a sensors fill up vehicle, so do not use of water. So I basically wash it, doesn't matter, it never harm back to me. So in your case, what you can do is you can purchase Worth engine surface degreaser. So you can just spray around the engine, and better you take off the engine cover, and then spray it, and then keep for some time, and spray some water, and let it go away. And then the brake oil. So it just, you can use the Lockheed brake oil. And when it comes to the engine oil, we recommend the Shell 15W40, and this is multi-grade engine oil. It's a mineral oil. We use it and then feel the difference. So this can adjust the temperature from from low to high. And if anyone asks what is the W, it's W stand for winter. So it's basically on the low temperature, which is 15 is represent as a low temperature, and 40 represent as a high temperature. And use the at least, because at least to 5,000 kilometers on every service, try to use the diesel treatment, and this will give a full flush up on your injector and then your fuel pump, because of the dirty oils being in the market. And also use the windscreen cleaner. Just take a small bottle and then pour into a the reservoir tank, the wiper tank. It will give a long lasting to your rubber, the beading, and then give a sharp clean up on your windscreen. And this is Pyrex automotive S2G 80W90 gear oil. So this gear oil can be used only in manual transmission, and the same gear oil can be used in the to the front differential. It doesn't matter. So then you don't need to have the 85W90. You can use the 80W90 by Shell, and don't mess up. For the rear differential, you need to have the 85W90, which is LSD, limited slip differential gear oil. But for the front, you can use the normal 80W90 gear oil. But we do recommend to use the Shell. And this is the power steering oil, and it's a S3 ATF MD3. So this is also the Matic oil, but it recommended to use in the power steering oil. Let me tell you something about the automatic transmission. So I have also here automatic transmission fluid, which is Matic J. So Matic J be used for the gear from above 5. So this is also backward compatible with the Matic D. You can use the Matic D as well, but Matic J, if it is mentioned on the dipstick of your transmission, you refer the same oil. In case if the Matic J is not available, you can go for the Matic J. There will no harm, because I have been tested. There's no harm in that. So I'm hoping actually for a better education on this channel for the Nissan Navara, people who are being disgraced on this vehicle, the beautiful vehicle. Just learn about things what you need to use, and be perfection on what you've been driving. So it will pay you back if you are not being jeopardized on the vehicle. I'm telling you, please do not listen to the people who has not been driven Nissan Navara, who has not even repaired Nissan Navara. So when you ask simply, they will tell a lot of stories. Don't listen to them. Keep one thing in mind: when the regular service record on 3,000 or 5,000 kilometers, don't pay attention to change only the engine oil. So it makes matter. It's make matter. So if you change only engine oil for the rest of your life, come on, man, give a break. So obviously things will break apart. So in the same video, I will tell you when to change the these lubricant, all the filters. For the air cleaner filter, at least every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers, depend on how it has been dirty. And then cabin filter the same. Fuel filter, at least 15 to 20,000 kilometers, use it. And oil filter, it's your buddy, which you are already being changing on every service of 5,000 or 3,000 kilometers. Differential oil, make it habit to change every 35 to 40,000 kilometers. And radiator coolant the same, let it change at least in 20 to 30,000 kilometer. And there is no caption on the degreaser. Whenever it is been dirty, you can use it and then have a peace of mind. For the brake oil, change it every 25,000 to 30,000 kilometers. Don't let it dry. So if your steering rack get leaked, if your rack get damaged, so these are the reasons, because it's being polluted with the engine oil. I'll show you. I think I have another video which I uploaded recently from a customer who has drove all his Navara to repair his power steering rack. So when I remove it, the color of the red color of the power steering oil and then the brake oil all become blackish. Yeah. So engine oil, you know what to change, because if you change, say the most of the Navaras, the UK Navaras comes in miles. So it's like compared to 5,000 means it's like 3,500 or 3,000 kilometers you need to change it. But if you replace with the Shell, I recommended, I give a guarantee that you can run your vehicle for 5,000 miles. That means, multiplied by say 1.6. That much you can do it. Do the first service in 5,000 miles, second service in 8,000, third service you can drive till 10,000 miles. You can do it. I'm 100% sure because I have been tested. This is why I love this product. For the diesel treatment, use it at least every 5,000 kilometers. It bit expensive, but think of this way. Do you want to spend little pennies to give you a refresh on your injector system or the fuel pump, instead of you replace the whole thing, right? And if you're worrying about your screen to give a clarity, and then worrying about or fed up of replacing your wipers, use this and it will repay you back. And for the gearbox, it's the same thing. So make it habit to change your gear oil at least on 35,000 to 40,000 kilometers. Power steering oil, do the same thing for 35,000 to 40,000 kilometers. Record everything what you do in your vehicle, and then have it done in that manner. So even for the automatic fluid ADF, same thing. Make a habit to replace them every 35 to 40,000 kilometers, at least in 50,000 kilometers. Then you don't need to worry about your gearbox. The gearbox will because when you pay it, it will pay you back, right? I hope this video is helpful for you to clarify a lot of doubt that you have about the service. Make it habit, and then it will pay you back. Thank you guys. If you have anything, any concern, any issues, just get back to us. We are more than happy to help you to keep your ride with the pride. Thank you, and have a pleasant day to us.